Halløj og velkommen til FlesioGaming.dk. Jeg er Tobias, og vi skal spille noget Splinter Cell. Men først, en intro.
Fly me up on a silver wave.
Lad os bare komme i gang. Jeg starter helt fra bunden. Jeg har gennemført spil en gang før, så jeg ved nogenlunde hvordan det er. Men der kommer stadig overraskelse. Og vi starter som grundskolding. Alle film springer over, og så vil jeg se om jeg kan fortælle lidt om dem, mens vi får spillet igennem.
Just do what you...
Sådan. Det første klip, det fortæller egentlig, det er en afhøring, hvor man sidder og snakker med en mand, der fortæller om, at Sams datter er blevet bortført. Eller, hun er ikke blevet bortført, hun er faktisk blevet påkørt. Så hun er blevet slået ihjel på stedet. Og så Sam, det var hans eneste datter, det var det eneste, der gav mening i hans liv. Så han bliver sur. Men så hans... der hvor han arbejder for som agent, de vælger så at slå ham ihjel i stedet for. Så der er ingen, der tror, at nogen af dem er levende.
To save your life, we can go from there. A team of armed men just entered the marketplace looking for you. They're closing in on your position. Unless you do exactly what I say, this will be a very short conversation.
I'm not doing a damn thing until you tell me how you found me.
We're third echelon. We've got an eye on everyone. Look up. You'll see it.
I see it.
Sådan. Jeg regner bare med at spille omkring 20 minutter ad gangen. Eller til den nærmeste slutning omkring de 20 minutter, når de er gået. Så hvis jeg er i gang med en mission, så fuldfører jeg den. Og hvis jeg har spillet 18 minutter og lige fuldført en mission, så stopper jeg bare der.
Just like the old days, huh, Grim?
Just like the old days, Sam. Are you carrying?
Yeah, but I'd rather not risk a firefight when there's civilians around.
That's very noble of you. But right now, what matters to me is getting you out of there in one piece. So get to that group of booths right now, or I can't help you, Sam.
Splinter Cell er egentlig et meget fascinerende spil. Jeg har været med helt fra en af de første spil, jeg spillede for... da det udkom, det er ved at være en del år siden. Så jeg har spillet det igennem, så jeg kan stort set missionerne nogenlunde. Men der er stadig en del ting, jeg har problemer med. Sådan der. Så er vi godt i gang. Får han lige sådan en flashback. Så møder man så hendes datter. Eller hans datter.
Kiddo. What's wrong?
I don't like the dark. It's scary. Turn on the light for me, please.
Come on, sweetie. There's nothing to be afraid of in the dark. Sometimes darkness is a good thing.
Og her lærer man så nogle grunde.
When you want to go to sleep.
Hvad kalder man nogle grundting? Når du går i mørket, så kan fjenderne ikke se dig. Så er du ligesom skjult. Det er det, han fortæller.
But when it's dark, you can see what's around you much better.
Really?
Really. So if there's monsters or bad people around, you can see them. And if you're in the dark, they can't see you.
I can't see you either. Can you please turn the light back on?
Okay. Then how about this? There's one really cool thing I didn't show you yet.
There is? Show me.
Okay, here it is. When you're in the dark and your eyes get used to it, you can see all sorts of things around you really well. And then you can do stuff with them.
Like what?
Now take a look at your mobile. You can see it really well, right? If there were monsters standing underneath it, because I can see it, maybe I could make it fall on them and they'd go away.
And it would fall on their heads and they wouldn't be bad anymore?
That's my girl.
Så er der en brud.
Daddy, what was that?
Daddy needs you to stay in bed now, okay? He's gonna shut the door and he'll be back real soon, all right?
Okay, Daddy, I love you.
Stay in bed.
There you go, Sam. Nice and dark, just the way you like it.
Come on, show yourself, fuckface!
What do you got, man? You got anything good? This place is shit. Yeah, you picked it, asshole. You said we'd get a couple of thou easy.
I heard there was metals and shit we could fence in here. The lady that lives here is hot. Maybe we could wait for her to come home.
Take it out and trade.
Now you're talking.
Så kan man henrette. Det er en rimelig fed funktion. Q. Og Q. Og så bare det. Så bliver der bare skudt igennem.
Dad, what did you do to them, Dad?
Sarah, baby, don't look.
What are you doing, Daddy?
What are you doing? Sam, talk to me. Sam? Sam, are you there? Come on, don't check out on me.
Graham.
There you are. They brought in some reinforcements, and the man calling the shots is with them. Get a hold of him. I'll ID him, and you can figure out what questions to ask.
Who's paying the bill? Open. Oh man, why we gotta keep working for this guy? His money's good. He's a punk. Granco should be running his operation and hiring him out, not the other way around.
Så står der stille. Ikke noget bedre end en
I've got an ID
lyddæmper.
on the leader, Sam. His name is Dimitri Gramkos, a local street-level boss. He hires himself and his gang out on a regular basis.
Who's
Oh,
he
then
working
I-
for now?
Why don't you ask him?
I think I will.
See anything?
Whoop.
He's there! He's there! Cut him down! Is that it, sir?
Men ham der fik jeg da ikke ramt for godt.
Shit, there! There! Cut him down! Come on! Cut him down!
Og så er der bare efter ham der.
Looking for me, asshole. No more playing around. Who's
Der er nogle rimelig fede kampzoner, de har der. Han har, når han skal afhøre forskellige personer. Han går rimelig hårdt til den.
Okay, enough. You wanna know, send me.
Og de der videoklip, der kører i baggrunden der på væggene, det er en rigtig fed detalje. Det gør lige lidt ekstra.
Anything people want, he gets it for them.
not good enough? Why
Man
does
vil
Koga
virkelig se,
want
hvad
me
personen, man afhører, snakker om.
If I talk, he'll kill me. He drove the car that hit your daughter. Used to brag about it, you know? Heard you were coming, so he hired me to kill you before you killed him.
You should refund his money. Where do I find him?
You don't understand.
Og det er bare fedt, han bruger bare omgivelserne til at skade personer med. For eksempel, som I så, jeg gik hen til spejlene, så er det bare det, han bruger. Og hvis du står midt ude i lokalet, så smadrer han dem bare ned i gulvet. Det er rigtig fedt.
Don't tell him I told you.
Oh, I'm not gonna tell him a damn thing.
Don't tell him I told you. But I knew all along that's where Sam would be going. Anything dirty in Malta ran through
Der var
that
lige sådan nogle
mansion.
små klip, man bare ikke kan springe over. Det kunne man så godt. Men jeg springer bare alle film over, for at få mest spil ud af det. Men der er tit nogle oplysninger imellem. Og Gadgets spejl, det er faktisk en rimelig fed detalje. Så går du bare hen, kigger ned til døren, og så kan du se, hvor de forskellige folk står. Azul. Og jeg skal derhen. Og så op og stå igen. Nu må jeg prøve at se, om jeg kan overleve.
Eyes open. I'll be more careful next time.
bilalarmer. Præcis.
Don't shoot me!
Og så kan man se, der er sådan en gennemsigtig person af mig. Det er der, hvor jeg blev set sidst, og det der skytterne, de vil gå hen og kigge. Eller fjenderne. Se, nu skulle... Nej, nu blev den ikke rykket. Det er fordi, der ikke er flere fjender i området. Så... Og så bare ud med ham. Sådan. Sluk lyset. Der står egentlig der. Jeg vil ikke engang opdage. Hold op. Fornemt.
They missed the hit on Fisher at the market. I guess it's up to us now, man. Man, did you see that list of meds Coben wants?
He used them like candy, man. Probably want the new flavor.
No, I mean the list. He wrote it all down on the side.
Kunne jeg skulle kigge på dørhåndtaget, så jeg kan åbne døren i stedet for.
What are you asking for this time?
Everything, I think. Blow, OxyContin, shit.
Holy shit! I see him! You ain't nothing! He's inside! You're a pussy! Fisher's here! Tell Tony to get him sealed like a can!
Okay, må vi også lige herom. Så en mand derovre. Kan vi om herfra? Nej, det kan vi ikke.
Damn it, he'll blow everything! We gotta find Fisher! He's there! Back like that!
Satan, ham havde jeg ikke lige set.
Get yourselves ready to go in. Go guys, go! Come on out! Fisher!
Og nu kommer alle sammen.
Coben had you all wrong, Fisher! Turns out you're just a pussy!
Og blev ramt den sidste af. Og de kommer derovre der. Og løber vi bare afsted. Hov. Skal vi ikke lige se, hvorfor nogle våben vi har? Skal vi ikke lige tage sådan en der?
Anybody else?
We get it to the Americans at the airport. The sooner we do that, the sooner we get paid. How we doing? We're ahead of schedule.
Se, hvad skal vi ikke...
Any idea what's in the big box?
Hvor er vi lige her?
Acceptable, I guess.
Holy shit! Fisher! Over there! Shit!
Øj, det var da også ret så der. Det var lige tæt nok på. Kommer de ikke snart op ad trappen? Det kunne da ikke være dejligt. Kommer der en bagfra? De kommer sgu da bagfra. Så går vi ned. Super. Det går bare stille og roligt. Granater. Kan ikke komme lidt? Pletskud, mand. Kan du komme lidt tættere uden at se mig? Det kan du ikke. Der kommer alle bare flyvende nu. Sådan der, det var der vist det. Ja, det kan jeg skal ind. Hvad var det? Nej. Jeg tror, jeg klarer mig fint med det, jeg har nu. Aha. Og kravler vi der bare op. Jamen, farvel. Upti-dupti. Så er de væk. Vi kravler ind her. Lader vi lige. Der er ikke nogen. Det er fattigt, så.
Boss, what if he comes through the window?
Then you shoot him! What kind of fucking stupid question is that? What are you waiting for? Fucking kill him!
He's over there now!
I skal fandme lade.
Die, you bastard! Die!
You're
not bulletproof, are you?
Jeg skal lige prøve at se, om vi kan få fat i ham derovre.
Blow your brains out!
Vi kommer med over. Kom nu. Vi er bare lidt tættere på. Fik jeg ham der. Så er det bare med at gribe fat i ham.
Andre Coben, were you saying something about my daughter?
Oh, God, no. I was just messing with you, man. I didn't mean it. I swear I didn't mean it.
Then make it up
Så
to
går
me.
vi rundt med ham.
Tell me why you killed her.
I can't tell you.
Nå, vil du ikke sige noget? Nå, du vil ikke sige noget. Vi skal nok få dig til dig. Slam.
It was just a job. They just gave me a picture and told me to provide a body. That's all it was, a dump job.
They isn't good enough. Who were you working for?
I can't tell you.
Selvfølgelig kan du ikke
I'm
det.
still working for them. They'll gut me if I tell you.
Det ved jeg ikke, hvor længe du egentlig gør det med. Bum. Du får bare slag. Oh shit. Oh shit.
They're not the ones you should be worried about right now.
You don't get it, Fisher. They're bigger than you. They're bigger than me.
Må I fandme over tyk der.
Don't you see? They told me you were coming.
Oh shit. Også det. Det er dem han arbejdede for.
The hell I do.
Han arbejdede for før han blev myrdet. Han
What took you so fucking long?
That's it, Fisher. Nice and easy.
Man, this is Ghost Hawk 1. We've secured Panther and are ready to return to base.
All right, Grim. You get this one. But if it's a setup...
Oh, bedøvelse. Så. Og gik han ud.
I'll be happy when we drop off Sleeping Beauty.
Det var det. Jeg trækker for den her gang. Ja. Abonner, subscribe, like. Jeg lægger en link til min Facebook-gruppe i beskrivelsen. Så hop ind. Drop et like. Så holder jeg opdateret. Mange tak. Vi ser.